Hi, I'm April with WTI. If you are in need for new window shades, Graywind has the best room darkening shades. For me, the key to great sleep is my environment, and these shades not only provide the most wonderful privacy and amazing room darkening, but they also have heat insulation and noise reduction for the most relaxing experience possible. The packaging was great, the instructions were so super easy to follow, and all the accessories here are perfect to get things up in no time. These brackets made installations so simple, and speaking of simple, installing the solar panel only takes seconds and yet saves me so much. I really like to use the remote control and smart app to operate or even schedule operations, but I can always just say, "Hey Google, lower the bedroom shades." I am so in love with these Graywind shades, and I think you'd love them too. And that's my point of view.